Sa akin,
Yung mga arthritis na
mga arthritis yan.
At saka nakaka-active na emotionally, physically, and
Exacto, Ate Tess. So that's why si Vida Manila is inspiring everyone with us to dance, you know? Ayan.
yung gustong sumali, alam na this. Every
Yes po. Ayan. Sa assistance po, we're not looking for perfection. Ang gusto lang po namin ay maging masaya rin kayo. And also, you know, some movement na ating katawan. Ayan. Ganun din naman siyempre ang malayang group natin. Ganun din ang kanilang ano.
So actually, it's good for health and you're enjoying at the same
At
time.
the same time. Kasi wala namin natin si Tita Evelyn Nico. Ayan.
Bakit sakit kasi yung ako hindi ko kasama sa
It's alright. As long as you have time. Mayroon po. Ayan.
Sige, tawagin na natin sila. Okay.
Sige po, are we ready? We already have a music, right? DJ, meron tayong music ng Malaya Group. So once again, can we give a round of applause sa malakas sa panapakan ko na Malaya Group!
Sound System.